I never fit the lines they drew, never wore the colors they all knew. Asked too many questions, walked too slow. Saw things other people don't. They said, try harder just to be the same. But different kept calling my name. Every scar I tried to hide turned out to be a turning sign. Every hard day, every fall was a lesson, not a wall. Life don't grade you pass or fail, it just keeps handing you the mail. Being different ain't a weakness, it's a fire you were born to hold. Every challenge shapes the pieces of a story still being told. Life's a school, every bell still rings, through the good and the suffering. Keep learning, keep dreaming, stand tall. Being different's your strength after all. Some folks learn fast, some learn deep. Some climb hills, some plant seeds. Some hear truth in quiet rooms, some only find it through the wounds. If you're still breathing, class ain't done. There's more to learn before you're gone. Being different ain't a weakness, it's the courage to stay true. Every hard-earned bit of wisdom is becoming part of you. Life's a school, no wasted days. Every loss just sharpens faith. Keep learning, keep dreaming, believe in the strength it takes to be different. To be. Don't rush the lesson, don't curse the time. Growth don't follow a straight line rhyme. What breaks you open lets the light in. That's where purpose begins. You weren't made to blend or hide, you were built to walk outside. The narrow roads they try to sell never rang your truest bell. If you feel out of place somehow, you're closer to yourself right now. Being different ain't a weakness, it's a gift wrapped in pain and grace. Every moment, bright or broken, is a chance to find your place. Life's a school, so take it in. Every loss, every quiet win. Keep learning, keep dreaming, believe. Never stop believing in the strength to be different.